Good afternoon. Thank you for inviting me. And on behalf of iVeena, I'd like to share what we think will be the next generation of myopia care. To set the table, our company was founded 10 years ago, and we initially developed an eye drop for keratoconus, which we licensed to Glaukos in 2022. We've pivoted using those license proceeds to developing an eye drop for pediatric myopia. We also have an orphan drug program for a rare disease that's very early stage. From the financial perspective, about 40% of our capital has come from equity, and the rest from the Glaukos license and federal grants. The keratoconus eye drop has already been in patients and provided proof of concept of the platform of this technology. Glaukos will be taking that forward into phase 2 studies. We expect to file our IND for our pediatric myopia eye drop this quarter and then move forward into clinical trials. This is a broken record. Half the world is going to be myopic within the next 25 years, so this is a big problem. What we are doing is treating the pathophysiology of myopia. Ivymed 85 increases an enzyme called lysyl oxidase, LOX, to promote collagen cross-linking in both the cornea and the sclera. That flattens the cornea and that strengthens scleral biomechanics non-surgically, just pharmaceutically. And by doing that, we expect that will change the course of myopia progression over a lifetime by slowing axial elongation, by increasing the strength of the sclera. And that's important because myopia, as has already been noted, is associated with tremendous increase of lifetime risk of retinal detachment and maculopathy. And because of those risks, in our payer research, insurance companies feel that anything that slows down the progression of myopia demonstrably and durably would be a must-cover product, not a lifestyle product. From a pathophysiology perspective, it's known that lysyl oxidase is reduced in the sclera of myopic patients with reduction of collagen crosslinks and biomechanical strength. Further, copper is reduced in the tissues and hair of children with myopia, and Menkes disease is an extreme example of copper deficiency with severe myopia. So we're delivering eye drops that contain copper to increase lysyl oxidase that upregulates the effectiveness of that enzyme, mediating scleral cross-linking pharmacologically. This is a novel mechanism of action which we've shown in preclinical models to slow down vitreous chamber elongation and axial elongation. This is in a model of guinea pigs which develop juvenile myopia from an early age. And further, we promote a hyperopic shift. And these results are striking compared to what atropine has been shown to affect in children. We're able to achieve much faster and much more effectively in guinea pigs in a shorter period of time. Based on the preclinical work as well as the GLP tox studies that we've completed, we plan to submit the IND and pursue a dose-ranging study with 3 different doses versus placebo with 1 year of treatment and 6 months of observation off treatment to see what happens after treatment cessation. Ideally, we'll be able to finish enrollment by mid-2026 and have a primary endpoint completion by mid-2027. I'm honored by the presence of Dick Lindstrom and Vance Thompson on our advisory board, as well as Dave Hunter and Paul Karpecki from the optometry world. And I'm very grateful to our wonderful team. Bob Dempsey is our CEO, and the backbone of the company are Sarah Malokia and Mike Burr, who are our lead scientists. So with that, I'd like to say that we have a great roadmap for developing a new product that will be a platform as well as a new chemical entity enabling 5051b1 protection that allows 5 years of marketing exclusivity, and hopefully will be the best in class for treatment of myopia. Thank you.
Thanks, Bill.